We are now in Hong Kong waiting for our connection flight going to Tokyo. Good morning guys, we are now in Japan. Magla-landing na tayo. Welcome Japan. Dear passengers, welcome to Japan guys. We just arrived. Say hi. Yung nadaanan lang namin yung isa sa mga sikat na donut here in Tokyo, which is donut here in Nakamiguro. Nice. Pero may pila ng konti, pero hindi ganun kadami. Kaya, we're lucky na. Nice one. This Ginza on a weekend, sobrang nice. Pwede ka maglakad sa kahabaan ng kalsada. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. At inasgid ko Abercrombie. Oh, mag-shopping kami dyan. Ako lang pala. Ha?
Kami ako na ko. Doon tayo bumili.
Oo. Sobrang nice. Look. Pero lunch muna tayo guys. Balik tayo dito after lunch. Welcome to Tokyo Disney Sea. Wala pa ba? Sorry. Magte-train pa pala kami. Magte-train pa pala tayo, guys. So, magte-train pa tayo. Going to Tokyo Disney. Okay. See you there.
Tarantala.
Welcome to Harajuku. Hindi tayo aabot.
Harry Potter.
Yan yung bagong lagay na Harry Potter. This is where we're going to eat for dinner. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the making of Harry Potter. Oh, daming tao. Excited. Sino excited? You know. Ako ba? Nice. Yan siya guys. There you go.
ハッピーバースデー。さあどうぞ皆さん前の方に続いてお広間の中入っていきましょう。さあただいま手にいただいたこちらも大切なセットの一部です。これ以降お手を触れないように皆さんでご協力お願いします。入り口に混み合いやすいので皆様どうぞ大広間の中へ止まらずに下を進んでください。さあここが大広間です。大広間はハリー・ポッターシリーズの中で最も古く最も大きいセットの一つなんです。一つはロンドンの自宅で400以上も指定されていたセルが使われています。実は当時このセットを作ったスタッフが完璧な一つ目を作り上げてくれたのです。6月1日の期間中は映画「ハリー・ポッターと金の虫」のワンシーンを体験したクリスマスデコレーションをお試しください。Please enjoy Christmas decoration. You can take pictures here. 大広間の中はお写真撮影が行っております。どちらの声をかけます。皆さんにお楽しみください。
From 9 quarters. Nice. Welcome to Tokyo Station. Saan tayo pupunta? Grabe daming tao, no? Look! parang sa Pinas lang, pero mas maraming mga souvenir pastries na tinitinta dito. Yan. Parang yung mga Japanese talaga mahilig silang mag-uwi ng mga souvenirs. You know, parang sa mga pastries. Sobrang haba ng pira parate. There. We are going to Shibuya. To drop yung ating maleta because we have 4 big maleta and 2 maliit. So para tomorrow, pag-transfer natin, hindi na masyadong marami. By the way guys, Happy New Year! It's 2026 already. Japan! Okay, see you sa train. Welcome to Shibuya! Pero hindi sa crossing. Tomorrow ang official na nandito tayo sa Shibuya. Because dito tayo magstay from tomorrow until January 6. Say hi. Kita ka ba? Yun. Mag-hi ka. Welcome to Tokyo Station. Mali ka. Welcome to Tokyo Station, Yasu side. Dito ka pwedeng sumakay ng mga bus pag meron kang mga tours. Kapag dito ka nakastay, malapit sa Tokyo Station. Yun yung mga bus na yun. There you go. JR Tokyo Station. Say hi. We are going to Ginza now. Mag-breakfast tayo sa Bills. Okay, welcome to Starbucks overlooking Mount Fuji. Okay lang, mamaya na ako. Tiga? Dream Bridge. Sobrang haba ng pila. Okay. Aaningin mo ang Lawson kung meron namang 7-Eleven with Mount Fuji. Super nice. Mount Fuji. Anong pangalan nito? Oh, I'm sorry. Look! Mount Fuji. Slippery. Huh. Galing. This is the way. Yan o. Yan o. Oo nga. Palalim pala to. Oo. Push. Oh, working better. There we go. For our ramen. There you go. Let's eat ramen for breakfast. This is Keith Garden. Oh, look at that bullet train. Welcome to Shinjuku Station.
お父さん道空いてるからこっちから行こう。
That's the famous cut. Ayan na. Ha? Sa 35th floor? Pwede din.
Hindi tayo lakad masyado.
Oh, kasi bukas
Lalakad din.
lalakad din tayo. That's the Shibuya Crossing.
Oras.
Ha?
Ayun yung isa, yun yung lab.
Shibuya Crossing. Diyan tayo sasakay sa Matsuya. Skytree Line. What's funny about this? Dalawa yung station. Isa yun, no? Yung lumang station. At isang bago. Actually, pag sumakay ka ng JR line, ay hindi, ng Ginza line, dito ka bababa sa lumang station. Ito pa isang babaan. Gate number 8. Yan. Yan, that. Tapos merong ramen alley dyan. Merong ramen shop dyan sa baba. But we're not going there. We're going this way. Papunta ng Nikko. We are going to Nikko, guys. Half day. Sasakyan natin yung SpaceX. Yan ang sasakyan natin.
Charge nga, di ba?
Oo
May
nga.
charge pa yung basic.
Charge ka na ng weight ng excited, you know. So excited. Come here. Tayo excited going to Nikko. This is a souvenir for our train going to Nikko.
5番線に特急スペーシア X1 号東武日光行きが参ります。この電車は特急券が必要です。
Malapit na tayo sa Nikko, guys. Excited. Ganda ng trend namin. This is, again, SpaceX. That's, yun na yung bridge, oh. Grabe, umusok, sobrang lamig. Pero magbabayad tayo ng magkano? 300 yen each. Okay. Let's go. That's the bridge. That's Eric. We're having coffee bago bumalik ng Tokyo. Dito sa Cheese Garden. Fairness, masarap yung coffee. Okay guys, see you sa station. Now, we are at Tokyo Skytree after several years. After So many years of going here. Ngayon lang natin siya napuntahan. Nice. Okay. Let's go. Tokyo Skytree. There you go. Haha. Nice. Look. Tokyo Skytree. Ha, nice. Pero palobat na tayo. Anyway. So hanggang maubos na lang yung battery. Say hi. Oh, nice. There you go. Okay. See you guys. Alright, Uden is here. Time to eat. This is the famous Starbucks Shibuya. Para you have an idea. And that's the overlooking. Tingnan natin. Can they? Yes, we can. There. Let people go. Ayan, let's just wait. Makikita nyo. This is actually one of the vantage point ng ng Shibuya Crossing. Itong Starbucks na to. Pero yung building na yun, pwede ka rin pumunta doon. Doon libre. You don't have to buy anything. Para ibang side naman. Yan yung building sa harapan natin. Nice. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you again on the next one. Bye!